Hello, my name is George Oakes, and I want to be able to unveil to you the new Balance 310 5G. This is a very exciting product, and if you really think about your enterprise network, what if you could bring this mobile? And what if you can bring this out of the office with all the connectivity, power, and performance? Well, that's really what this is all about. So I'm happy here to unveil the Balance 310 5G. And as you can see, his Peplink always keeps us impressed by all the components and features and everything, both physically and inside the box. And we'll be going through this in detail, but as you can see here, we have the unit, power, GPS, of course, all the antennas that you need. And we'll just break this down in a little bit. Power cable, and of course your QR code to get more information about it. But that's what I'm here for, to help us through this. Okay, let's go and unpack this a little bit more. And the power cable. That would be for the GPS. The other power cable. Now, talking about power over here, we'll get to that. There's some actual pads if you do mount this on a desk or something to that nature, but probably not in there. You do also have the options for ears so that you can mount it in a rack, which is very convenient, right? So if you think of it that way, you can mount it. Or mount it on a wall, or mount it in any vehicle or location that you need. But these are just some of the main pieces for that. So let me just move this a little bit more into the camera view. So here we have basically the 10 gig ports. We can have just RJ45 or an SPF Plus. This provides the connectivity that you need for WAN uplink. Okay. Now, the nice thing is it is well fitted with 8 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports. Okay, you can also do 802.3 AT-PoE plus output, and that's one of the nice things with that. The other factor is that also we have the ability to use USB-C WAN. There's a console port, and in the front is where we have the connectors for Wi-Fi 7. All right. Okay, so one of the things is, how do you add more 5G capability? Well, there's two ways you can do it. You can basically, over a LAN connection over here, we can actually have it connected to the 5G adapter, or through the USB-C, you can actually use a 5G dongle. So really, this can actually allow expandability in such a way where it gives you up to 3 cellular connections. That includes the one built-in 5G connection that you have here. Okay, so as you can see, I put together the components that come in the box. In the front, we have the Wi-Fi 7 antennas. This is, again, basically the paddle dipoles that you see attached to this. And for the most part, it's a very clean front end. Now, let me turn this around. And on the back, we have the 5G cellular antennas that are connecting. There is the power. There's 2 power ports. We put this one in source A. This is the one that comes with it. And of course, in the middle, we have the GPS antenna. So it's a very clean, quick, simple way to get it installed. Like I said, there's brackets that you can use for mounting, probably put it on a wall in a vehicle, wherever you want to put that has, in essence, the connectivity from all the devices that would leverage the ports of this. With all the connectivity, let's not forget our importance of speed fusion and making the maximum usage of our networks. And as well, with this powerful device being anywhere, put in intelligent services that can run in Docker, supported by the unit itself. In summary, looking at the Balance 310 5G, it is a complete solution. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing.